Look at these crazy animations. These days, I've been researching how I can create cool loading animations for my app. Let's take a look together at how we can use these cool animations in our React Native app. For this, we're going to use LottieFiles.com. This is a platform where you can find free and premium JSON-based animations that work seamlessly on mobile, web, and other platforms. Alright, after all this talking, let's jump into the code. First, install the Lottie React Native package via the Node Package Manager. Next, go to LottieFiles.com and search among the animations. Select one of the animations and download it in JSON format. Additionally, from this tab, you can customize the colors of your animation. However, we won't be dealing with that here. Next, go to your code and create a Lottie's folder inside the Assets directory, and move the JSON file you downloaded into the Lottie's folder. Perfect. Now import the LottieView component and add it to your code. To use the LottieView component, we need to provide the source prop. For this, import the JSON file from the Assets folder. With the style prop, you can style your animation. But wait, what's this? My animation isn't playing. The reason is that, by default, autoplay is set to false. Let's set the autoplay prop to true. And that's it, that's simple. As a bonus, LottieView behaves like a view. It contains a wrapping view around the animation, and we can style this view using the container style prop. Now, look at what I'm doing. I'm removing the outermost view and applying the container style directly to LottieView. When I run my code, as you can see, nothing changes. That's because LottieView already has a view wrapping its content, and we can style that view using the container style prop. Let's try something else. I'm going to LottieFiles.com and downloading a file I like. Then, I move it into the Lottie's folder under my Assets directory. Let's remove autoplay from our code. As you'll remember, autoplay is false by default. LottieView also provides a speed prop. This allows you to adjust the animation speed. If you give it a negative value, the animation will play in reverse. Additionally, when the animation finishes, you can call a callback using the onAnimationFinish prop. We can also control the animation manually. For this, import the useRef hook. Next, create a ref. Assign the ref you created to the Lottie view. Then, using the ref we created, we can control the animation with the play, reset, pause, and resume functions. Now, let's create a simple bookmark button using what we've learned. I'm deleting the code I won't be using. I'm importing my new JSON file and assigning it to the source prop of Lottie view. I'm setting the loop value to false and removing the unnecessary props. I'm wrapping the Lottie view inside a touchable opacity component and enclosing everything with a view. I'm using useState to keep the reverse value as a Boolean, and I'm writing the onPress function based on this value. Using the play function from the ref, we can play our animation between specific frames. This way, we design forward and backward playback. To find the last frame value, go to the Lottie file you downloaded, take the last op value and subtract 1. And that's it.